All right, list that metal sheet on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Watch out for the rust underneath. We need to scrub this area next.
Does this frame align with the starboard side?
Almost. Shift it slightly to the left.
Secure that bracket first.
All right, pushing it up now.
Make sure it aligns with the frame.
According to the schematic on the laptop, the insulation goes here next.
Right, that aligns with the blueprint measurements.
According to the schematic, the issue is right here at the bulkhead.
Right, I'll prep the diagnostic tools.
All right, the main debris is clear. Let's get the vacuum in here. Bring in the first panel now.
We've got a breach, starboard side. Get the welding gear, quick!
I'm on it.
I'll try to slow the flow.
All right, let's get these lights strung up over the canopy.
Securing the scaffolding clips now.
It looks fantastic, gentlemen.